What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! Nothing really new over here in City Walk for all this deconstruction. Looks to be just about the same. Hello, Islands of Adventure. Good to see you again. One thing I do want to bring up though, we're going to be out of state coming up in the next week or so. However, we will have somebody on Top Hat watch. That person is going to be, of course, Lauren. Yeah, so just in case if that does happen, she'll be there for you. But again, we're going out of state. But let's get inside the park. Yep, no wait to get through security, temperature check, turnstiles, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times today. The park is open until 6 p.m. and we can see Hulk currently at 55 minutes, Dr. Doom 15 minutes, Kong at 35 minutes, P-Flyers at 10 minutes, 10 minutes for Forbidden Journey, 30 minutes for Poseidon's Fury, Seuss Trolley Ride is at 10 minutes, then we have 5 minutes for some of the other attractions, Hogwarts Express, 10 minutes, and then on the last page, Popeye and Bluto's 10 minutes, Jurassic Park River Adventure 25 minutes, and Dudley Do Rights at 5 minutes. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen, the Jurassic roller coaster project looking good. Unfortunately, I do not see a crane over by the Top Hat, and the S-bend is also not complete. We do have a crane in the front area by the Discovery Center doing some work though. Check it out guys, all those concrete forms that were on top of the piles are complete, including those cone structures on the top as well. Just in the last couple days, there's been a lot of new I-beam structure right here for the station and maintenance barn. over by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and we can see all of that track. Some of it was just completed a couple days ago, and now a lot of it is covered up for theme work. And speaking of theming, we can see some of that rock work on the left-hand side looking really good. Bunch of new structure for rock work right there, and if we zoom out you can see this one pole goes way up into the air right there. Lots of pieces flying in the air today for that rockwork structure. Another one coming down right now. That's a big piece. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close to the pathway, don't you?
Can you grab your brother's hand and just pull him in for me? There we go. That's great. You're okay, dude. Now we're going to take one with your camera, okay? Yeah, so let's look at our camera, look at our family.
A lot of work going on over here by this show building, and of course we can see some of that theming structure right over there heading back towards the station. blah, 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 nothing new. And until something else happens, well, we're not going to cover this anymore. Looks like the concrete forms over here on top of the piles are also done. Well, it looks like our friends the construction fish are back. Look at the baby ducks. Well, if you remember in our last update, the slushy stand was closed. Well, now it's back open. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. I am happy to say crews are busy working on a ton of theming elements and rock work, as we saw some pieces being lifted into the air. No track work, as in new pieces put onto the layout. Hopefully that's going to be changing soon. Of course, we do have Lauren on Top Hat watch, as I'm going to be out of state coming up very soon. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.